Try this in a Cybertruck.
This is a look at downtown Austin during South by Southwest, including the live music that you can find walking around the area. South by Southwest is a major event that happens every year in Austin, and it's been going on since 1987, so almost 40 years. The festival originally focused only on music, but today it also features film, technology, and some comedy. So you can find people visiting here with badges so they can attend the official South by events. They can run into and network with people in their industry, and they talk about all the latest things going on. This year was a little different at South by Southwest because they condensed the festival into a shorter time. So instead of the typical 2 weeks where film and technology are the first week and then music is the second week, they now had all of that overlapping with each other. So the events were more condensed this year, and people tended to be here at the same time, which could make some of the travel and logistics a little more difficult and some of the lines longer than usual. This year was also different because they tore down the old convention center, which was the hub of where events happened for people with badges in the previous years. That meant that people had more walking to do to go from one event to another, and events were more distributed across downtown and even further as a result of that. That made downtown a bit more vibrant and happening, and it helped support some more businesses down there. The footage that I'm showing is from a Wednesday, which was regarded as the last day of South by Southwest. This is during the afternoon and into the evening. There were probably fewer people on this day than during the middle of the festival because quite a few had already headed home by this point. But walking around, there were a good number of people still out, and it was common to see brands advertising during South by with their pop-ups and activations, so you could find those things walking around too. You can also get some pretty good people watching in. There are a range of different areas of downtown Austin, so the first footage here featured Congress Avenue going right up to the Capitol building. That's where they had major sections blocked off and a lot of events. A lot of activity spread from there to 6th Street, which is a popular spot for nightlife and entertainment in Austin. And this video has also featured some footage along the Red River District, which is another popular spot where you can find live music happening during South by in Austin. But before going more into the live music, first can think about food, and that's where we found some at Casino El Camino. This is a no-frills bar and grill with huge burgers, a patio, and a jukebox that caters to music nerds. In terms of that live music, there are quite a few places along 6th Street where you could hear live music happening. The first was San Jack's Saloon. Then just further down the street, there was live music happening at this place called the Dizzy Rooster. Across the way, it sounded like there was some live music coming out of this place called Moonlight. And still along 6th Street, you could find live music coming from the Vulcan Gas Company. Now, heading up Red River Street, you could find 13th Floor. They have a lot of live music going on throughout South by Southwest. And then also along Red River Street, you could find Mohawk. This is another super popular spot where you could find live music across multiple stages during South by. We ended up stopping at two places that featured long lineups of talented artists. The first was the Austin Blues Fest Day Party at Antone's. This was a free event with many artists throughout the day, including CJ, Chanier, and the Red Hot Louisiana Band. The other major musical stop for the day was Stubb's, which is located along Red River Street. They had a lineup of multiple artists playing on this night up on their big stage, and we were able to get in free and had the chance to see Nicky Diamonds and Charlie Crockett.
Lay me to rest in the bed of white, color and light. Burn sweet sage and consider smoke. All the things that rock my boat. The moon. He was a $10 cowboy who lived a life like you. I'm a $10 cowboy.
So that's a look at downtown Austin during South by Southwest. It's not the first video I've done about this area of Austin. or about South by Southwest. So check out the videos that pop up to learn more about what the city looks like during the festival. You could also click on my YouTube channel and check out those thumbnails because I cover the neighborhoods and the live music all around Texas if you want to learn more about that. Thanks for checking out this video, and thank you for your support.